Hi, this video is going to cover basic research steps. First, pick a topic. You might need to develop it depending on how long your project is. Secondly, find some background information. Ask a librarian for some recommendations for book chapters that are online that will get you some background and history about your subject. Just gives you some perspective. Third, find articles. Those will give you current and specific information about your subject and update it. Third, make sure to cite your sources using MLA or APA styles. Okay, so why are we not just Googling everything? Google covers a very small percentage of all the information that's available on the web, and the quality is going to vary quite a bit. Library databases are subscription services written by subject experts. They tend to be more reliable, so it's a good idea to use them to save yourself some time. Next, let's talk about search tips when you're searching library databases. The first one is called Boolean logic. It's named after George Boole. He was a mathematician in England back in the 1800s. He kind of invented some computer logic. The one that's most important is the AND search. What that does, it overlaps topics. So let's say we wanted to do research on the effects of sleep and learning. So when we type it in, we're going to put the word AND between them, and that will find both at the same time. Okay, secondly, truncation. Truncation is when you use the asterisk, the star symbol, which is Shift 8 on the keyboard, to add a wildcard ending to a word that could end in different ways. So here I'm using the example of learn with the star symbol, and that's going to pick up all those endings for you. Saves you some time in typing. Lastly, phrase searching, when you want to have two or more words found next to each other. I'm using the example of community college. So if you put in the quote marks, community college, close quotes, that will find the two words locked together. It adds precision to your search. Finally, when you're doing any kind of searching with library databases, make sure to spell the whole word out just for precision. They tend not to like abbreviations or slang. Now, if you need some help trying to figure out what words to put into a library database, just check with a librarian. Thanks.